Oni ahwe de ekoso e won impressions of course Ghana in general me ye di unko but minim de una jawo ye member of parliament jawo fia sa so Korea wo ba na no cross mu DC ya pamna na
Mchia so Korea fia si fu etie me na
no mo jawo so
enra nanano ma wo senchi ko atakrom senchi ko putrom senchi ko Pankwenua enra no nanano eye program no machisha to ho a accountability say ye bana DC ni MP hia mo no mabusa ye beye mfie beye e kase bia beye 3 years ni na ekọ 4 years ni no jumedi ayaye ene ne ma bi omo ntiase enti yekoye anopa ne yekoye hona ne yewo Ayew yeso nanano mo se aye minuaba oni manam ene na ye fine ena nsem bi ba enti enye ba ko am na me catch om say oh me okay enti ye free na ekode party for no bibia obi amfanche na enye ba enti me ne sai me ne de sa to ne ko Miss Chiano this is the first time in about 2 years me ne no enye hwe
odo DC
oh yes enra enti and I stand by it. No matter the AC no crampo no, I still want to see going forward. No, a challenge nearby. Sometimes you know, I'm say a baby so oh, and you know so whatever it is, you know, but it can be frosty, say bad in the past, no, but it can be better. After Bob Marley said your worst enemy, or bet my your best friend, and our best friends bet my your worst enemy. So, we na me too car no dimechi. I mean that's the first time you call baby. That's the arrangement. MP, DC for the past 2 years and you be sad. But now, until you do your an hour later, you do your be 1 hour later. News and they say, oh my, why fired.
But who official letter the statement nibi?
I mean who statement, you know, say they circulate, you know, say yes, then I have also seen it.
Would you say the internet is it because of Muntamuna Nenjo? Because there's this purported audio tape be allegedly a security social media and other portals is allegedly mameno I could make a statement to be about you honorable Afriyie yankasa say on shema and as we when you crumpa we make sure say vote to subete na president who say bia onya dwuma pa bi ne ade wo ho and people also saying say when why instigate san sacking is that the case because officer yetiao say they can say only more problem kakra ne ade ntino omo fi say ya wo na wa hihye kira ma ya pame ma me afio if indeed she has reacted there
ohwe audio na metie na first of all na gentleman na o kasa no boni be kan say leading questions sir boy no so on DC na na onye madam fo me say me penin ma hwe minimum no but I've heard about him. He's one of the boys now running me down. So I slapped DC, I did this, everything is about the MP so bad. And I don't just say me person me who know me penany mashe. I don't want to know him because say onyo bi or me or come who 0 or film who 0. But rather no baby or will be another problem breme. Into me so no me who are there no Monday no do some who say what happened then they see. Into me so no me so me sua baby for you. Because me we a boy anyway ya odi me channel say kwa mo boy me mo do am phones because we know e on nenam a obi anim say on nenam so there na beba ni mu a obayesa there na see ye so ati ase enti me de enye me side kwa say me e hono de me nim ho hwe Monday na me te so ati ase Monday na me te enti say boy ko no tie me a also hu say me nim no onim me the moment no so no Nema wa ya family ho no boy ni nim say why no ono so no time ni a ono so on ba the head in the shame na on patcho so what you say. Yes,
so you think say you born in the aprema me na koto asem.
Yes, that is the issue. The question is that me omo na betimi a kire what exactly the na ACC, because I don't me say me nim boy no and na oni me so, but me nim say this is a boy or your character. Say near obi to hono mo a obi di watem a unimu no enso betimi ate say yes akwa bi yes di watem ha oye wo say owo okan kru mo yes obeti o say e bia hu nukra be yiwani so ate ase but what say mo timi bo ana enti accident it is among issues. It's got nothing to do with me.
Do so that make no reasons or were assigned for my men in the sack and I said the kunti upon will be into minche. But your recent development have been a factor ma ya permanent.
Oh yes.
Will you plead or Tokobasi be or opportunities to me plead and actual presidency be a one man can have said and now case no crown and nam amamunina one and tabunia the nebia monfa montumansi and nanka to jumen koso ewo figasia sokoro.
Yes, obviously, she might have definitely learned the bitter lessons because questions now, gentleman, na ase onimbibi, ena adiena onimuno, opese otwe ema woka nti ofoso ma woka, enti no definitely no she would learn her bitter lessons, ena obia suya ni bitter lessons obi anim hawa ohwe ase a osisa wanantie enti dia kan de mejama president. It is not for me to even choose who will come because I don't have the power. Me dey say we MP or represent wo na ohwe ama party aye campaign, so that is my role. Yes, if I don't have any power to do anything like that, but I'm sure say the lessons has been learned. And all of us have to also learn our lessons. Because recordings is starting in way. Ukaya, those days under NDC, one of the general secretaries, recordings ana among you know, there's also Abesinko, Jesse Victoria Hammer Abesinko. So it is a very complex industry. And a woman and they will bet me no be fine. Obet me abebusa osika. One farm hamana, no afa him and so ba no was no afa ho adwen. Onim sana o usika samutie. Nika say so no ofele say oh me no nenam. At the end of the day no oh na oh yes na wanya ama me. Na che say wa record o. Obi a say betua seka we. Won't ya obesel mo na osel. Indeed it's a very complex system.
Anyway. Nhyira 104.5. I think we're getting a discussion on Honorable Dr. Nana Ayew Afriyie, a member of parliament at the Mafija Sasokore constituency in Ashanti region of Pedro Komoha. But my idea, during my primary school, are you so? I mean, how people would describe you? We a bit controversial because allegedly, Kwame Adumapia. During the promise, this guy was also assaulted and Kofofi Sebia when no she say maybe a chum cry mami yes maybe crowd so you born near there at the end how do you relate to your people of the first of all me amini sana me hu en samte say me ya ohumia obeka say me nya ohumia obeka at the end of the day me peme ho asem and yes me peme ho asem. And I don't conspire because me obe kansa mu chire na so odi ntwa me busem me doesn't body ntimi me krom ho bi eni se papa we eni ntwa chire no o ko ka beka e ya se mu hia so mete a me nim se na me de beye adwuma obi mpo nim so ate ase enti that is how I am. And I see so me nsisi obi ntun sisi me enti at the end of the day no as I sit here no me nim krom for I am always me kind of cry chire wo and dear minya mitimika dear miya mika sabi if you just tell Rose mpo ya no crampo no enya ade a
medima no catch on say meye ye kwa campaign no mo ka say no na mo pe e na me say ye mo mpa na na do bana so ba because me ko catch on say meye MP me kwan sika ni mbotom aban for finance and me nyem na me finance minister president me na me kwa enyem na me road minister me na me kwa me catch president otie catch there wo mo na metu ha na mo nsa me dia ne say me ko kasa mamo anopa na me wo ho ewia na me wo ho enyume na me wo ho na me hu mpo ye hi but e me kro no nti na meje omunim say wo nye ekwan no ema ofie oji akokro enti eye ade a de nyame epeso ye na oye a ye projects be bre aba ye kro man se me ne mu kan edoso sa a wo de sa 3 years na MPP aba no eto NDC ho a NDC maye na enye daba ko pe na yebetumi aye ekro bi ade ba wi ase de wo obi de ye na wo so de ye na se wonu anko a wo so nkodru enti ye na wo hu no na MPP che no na eba na wo so unya bi enti me relationship with my people no aye clear and me affable person me easy that is it who free here always smiling me easy is me asa now o call primaries first of all case no court sir legal break no yeah boy no ko case me body see no me dey no court masemo no lawyer Anis is my lawyer and our court because all my evidence and omo ginegina nchen ya ehu ye ni na obi aye ready say omo be kasa say MP wanye bi kra na onu akrompo na o ka say MP abono no onu krompo na onjina ho pacho utie
mbitie pa
na onjina ho na onu mpo na odi ho wa wo se hu ye no so na wuni ho chese wo kra na uni ho kra enti uhu den ade a uhu ye wotimi gina ho no maka atia obi enti eno de eda court 2 primaries adomapia
but before so about say the ele ni yen desa ka o call no post say ya ye kan san ka won kwan what happened in the kusi ntiama lawyer adomapia be contest you
well say me constituency me polling station for now for the first time in history signing here about 400 365 and signing here say Dr. Afriyie call no post because there wait to me afana na do so and the MPP aban so wait to me actually ajiji aba ho no extraordinary enti nanka omo bomba paso ena omo tro de call party but ye nya ho mo aye emfree party but na e was say minua no so pese obe contest enti e was ye man kwan na ono so ye de obe contest enti e ho no de ono post ne ba ye de a na eno na hye we ne onyam na je say de me makonama anopa me kobo bi office meet na ho no wotwe tu no 9 de bia na wo sa de aba ukro MP medjuma no MP yemfa sika mame MP yemfa kwan mame but me konam ekasa me konam kotetin krofo e de pade keke de aba me krom me medjuma no me dia ne se me yesomafo enti na me wogidie se ye to aba no a me wini enti me ye mama adwen se ono pose no mpo amma yen call elections me wini na yetu abano sada no na me wo ahojo me ko du ho be ye 5 minutes to 1 me 2 year pe na omo epon ye enti die si wo ho no mpa na me run it sorry I mean me ya pepper me omo a me ko ni ye nye fine no enti sometimes also I mean the honam no epe chese I mean honam ni ye week nso honhom no epe se edi kakra wonza ena na etua me enti at the end of the day no na me mebre enti de na ekoso wo ho no I didn't know about it 2 regional security regional minister Nsem ono na odma military for ekoho minister onemi ankasa but metimi akase ono na mo omoko enye me military cannot move military enti say services bia o military can never move from a base without the instruction of hierarchy military there nobody say na manema na yemfa nko mu fie so ati ase enti ekwaya military for kodru ho no. It is not me. It is, you can ask the regional minister. He will tell you, Zabia, there was a coordinated approach. He said, military phone call zones. How much your operation come say, baby, I find no science instruction. No, and yeah, me minimum hoshe. And almost could do how the most no. ɔmo ko hu nsensem bi ɛna ɛde asɛm baayɛ ɛna me sɛ lɔya adoma pia no ɛkɔpa no ɛna me sɛ ɔne ɔmo ɛde gyina yɛ so ate aseɛ unse policeman deɛ sɛbi ebia na waka wansɛm akyerɛ na wɔayɛ kom na wahwɛw ma me ɛhyɛ sɛ asogyafoɔ deɛ ebia ɔkɔ kana wano power ebia ɔmo deɛ ɔmo mfa nkyɛw enti that psychology and that things are there and I didn't mean a man ka sɛ obi nkɔka wei nkɔfa asɛm mbra ɛma obi mbo wei ana obi nkɔ me deɛ na meti bia afina na meba enti deɛ si wɔ hɔ bia no na me ni hɔ
are you cool the executives more constituency one na wono muntam ye edwo kama
obi me na mo ye cool.
The problem is for now problem be any apart from now only DC the a few others. Say problem will be any problem be
no be any problem.
Anyway, Nhyira 104.5 yani Dr. Nana Ayew Afriyie on the member parliament edema Afriyie Sokore constituency na pay din komo. Mama jin katona me buy be bania be hwe nim peso aso ahwe. For say the city otumi aboa kakra mpuntudwuma te say but then this challenging especially MPP members of parliament and central in general said they have nothing to show when it comes to infrastructure because Afriyie Sokore say na nim peso aso city Obono Homodin, dear Nawaye, 4 more between we need this time round.